President wa Uganda Yoweri Museveni ni akoretwo agitetera mwathanire wake na gitumi giake guikara wathani-ini kwa ihinda iraya. Na ona gutuika Museveni athite bururi wa Uganda kwa ihinda ria miaka 30 na ni aracaria kanya gagwatha bururi ucio kwa ihinda ria miaka ingi 5, githurano kia mwaka uyu nikio kiri na nditi muno hariwe.
It does look like we have in our hands a very competitive election, one that we have not had before, and one whose outcome is really unpredictable, and it is contributing to increasing tension.
President Museveni ni akoretwo agitetera utungata wake na akiaria na radio mufururi-ini wake ni aroigire ati no atigane na giturwa kiu mafururi ma Afrika ya irathiro manginyitana. Undu ungi utumite Museveni aikare wathani-ini ni ati kiama giake kia National Resistance Movement kiri na mirimu no matura-ini.
The Museveni system is a political system where he dominates. Our political system is largely shaped by the NRM's massive size. So you have got, for example, over 1,700 MP candidates in this race. And those are the people for whose local networks really determine what voters will eventually behave.
Boto ya bururi wa Uganda ni ikoragwo iri na uge munene wathani-ini wa bururi ucio tondu atongoria aingi a bururi ucio ni matungatite boto-ini yo.
The elections alone can determine a clear winner because we have to deal with the political military history of Uganda in the process. And that means that regardless of the outcome, if that outcome is that Museveni might be forced into a rerun or something similar, then there has to be negotiations that deal with the real architecture of Uganda's political system, in which the military is huge.
Ihinda-ini ro riu thirikari ya Uganda ni yaniriire muthu wa githurano ta thiguku niguo andu othe mahote guikia kura. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Macharia wa Mugo.